Imagine the ground beneath your feet suddenly shaking, buildings collapsing, and chaos erupting all around you. This is the reality of an earthquake. Did you know that the deadliest earthquake in recorded history struck in 1556 in Shanxi, China, killing over 830,000 people? The sheer power of these natural disasters can reshape entire cities in mere seconds. Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates shift, releasing an unimaginable amount of energy. Just a single quake can register a magnitude of 9.0 or higher, causing devastation on a massive scale. But amidst the destruction, stories of survival and heroism emerge. Communities unite to rebuild and recover, showcasing the indomitable human spirit. Are you prepared for the next big one? Knowledge is power. Stay informed, educate others, and take action to protect yourself and your loved ones.